Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a Steam API key. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, so let's jump into it. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up a new window browser. You then want to go into the top search bar at the top, and then you want to put in steamcommunity.com/dev/API key, and then you want to go ahead and press enter. It's then going to bring up this website for you, and it's going to bring up this box, and you want to put in your account details. So you do need to have a Steam account in order to get your API key. So what you then want to do is you want to fill in your details and press the sign in button. You want to put in your domain name. You then want to click that you agree to the Steam terms of use, and then you want to press the green register button. And there we go. That is how to get a Steam API key. I really hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.